So today's the 25th of October, and I have a funny, today's the 25th of October, winter is here, so today is the final harvest. The rest will succumb to slugs and frost. There you are. It's a big colander full of them. Winter is here. Here we've got cold. I can see a juicy one in there. Alright. That one. That one up. Alright. That's big. Anymore. Then I've collected these. Today's the 12th of October. It's really quite cold. Should we leave them out? Probably not a good idea. It's sunny and rainy. Just take that one out. Alright. There we go. So, there you are. They're still alive. But there's a few more on there. I won't take them off. Look at that. Still sunny. But it's chilly.